I am going to be making a delicious herbed butter compound that is going to be completely vegan, and I'm going to be making it using this mortar and pestle. You can make this butter compound just by finely chopping your ingredients, instead mashing them together in a bowl with a fork. And I'm just going to peel my clove of garlic. So I'm going to start with 1 clove of garlic. All right, next up I have about a 1/4 cup of fresh herbs. I like a lot. You could put 2 tablespoons if you want a little bit less. I have some fresh parsley here, and I have some fresh basil. Start working away at it. So we start by just dropping and allowing the weight to start smashing up the ingredients. Now we can start just grinding on the edges of the bowl. And we are going to turn this into a nice paste. You can see here I've got it ground into a beautiful paste. Now we are going to add 1/4 cup of vegan butter to the mixture. And we are just going to mix that together in our mortar and pestle until it looks like this. We are just going to transfer this butter into a little rectangle of parchment paper so we can roll it up, reshape it in the fridge so we can cut it into those beautiful little slices. All right, I've got this here, and now I'm just gonna start rolling it and kind of shaping it into that nice little roll that I want. Right now, I am just gonna twist the ends and get that shaped into a nice little roll. You're just going to want to place this in the fridge. I mean, depending on your butter, this could take an hour or 2, so you do want to kind of plan ahead. Now, after 1 to 2 hours, once this butter has re-hardened in the fridge in the shape that we want it, we can cut them into beautiful little slices like this and use this anywhere that you would want to use a garlic herb butter. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you like this video and you want to see more recipes like this, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.